All right. Well, we're back here at Tanner's Orchard with Grandma Tanner. Today she is going to be cooking up some dips that we sell here in the farm market. So we'll take it away.
Okay, the first one I'm going to do, it's a garlic and onion. You can make a dip or a cheese ball mix. And then what's nice about these dips is on the inside, it gives you some other recipes. So what I'm going to do with this is make a dip, and then I'm going to heat it and put it on baked potatoes. I know the employees will love this.
So what do you got there?
Okay, this is 8 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of milk.
Is that cream cheese softened, or you just throw it in there out of the fridge?
No, it's softened. I put it in the microwave for just a little bit.
Okay.
To get it nice and soft. And then I'm going to add butter. And here is some sour cream, 1/4 of a cup. And here is the
dip mix.
The dip mix. It's got garlic and onion and all kinds of good stuff.
Did you get a new mixer too?
No, I went over to the Gourmet Kitchen and snagged this one. Actually, I think I bought this for them a couple years ago. So mix that real good.
No hand mixer here on these.
No, I thought maybe I better use the electric one because this is quite a bit of mixing. Put the butter in there and get that all mixed up. All of these dips are really you can do lots of things with them. I've poured that in there now. Mix that up. Now we'll put the sour cream in there. It's just a real easy recipe. Now, it says you can put it on top of the stove to heat it. But today I'm going to just pop it in the microwave for a little bit and then put it over these potatoes.
So are these potatoes that are already cooked?
They are already cooked. I actually microwaved them.
Okay.
And they're still a little bit warm.
You could probably put it on there cold, couldn't you?
Yes. You can put it on there cold, but I think it's just a nice consistency.
So it's cream cheese and sour cream and butter?
And butter. A little bit of milk. So I'm going to just heat this for like maybe 30 seconds, 45 seconds. I'll put it in the microwave.
I won't show you the microwave because all kinds of stuff over there.
This is our break room. And in the meantime, we'll talk about these. I think the Southwest taco, wouldn't that be fun to mix that up? And you put sour cream and mayonnaise or just sour cream and on your tacos.
Oh, yeah.
That'd really be good on tacos. The BLT is our #1 seller. It's the most popular. But the tomato basil is very good. Spinach and herb is delicious. So I think you could do a lot of different things. And this artichoke and spinach is very good. And we have jalapeno and green chili.
So if Brenda, Grandma Tanner's granddaughter, ever has to go somewhere and take a dish, and it's during the season, she has the gourmet girls make her a dip.
Yeah, easy.
It's super easy for her.
Nice little kitchen over there that we make all this stuff up in. And then I just took these potatoes and sliced them like that.
Now, could you put this in mashed potatoes too?
Oh, yes, that'd be an excellent idea. So, just for the employees, I'm going to just put a little bit on all these here, like this.
Now, I've known some of our employees have told us with these dips too, that they have sprinkled it, like put olive oil on potatoes or vegetable, and they've used these dips as seasoning on a lot of different stuff, or even on hamburgers. They've mixed just the dry dip in with hamburger.
Oh, I bet that's good, and then put it on the grill.
Mm-hmm. So you don't have to just make a dip out of these. They are really good as seasoning on top of vegetables or potatoes, hamburgers, any kind of meatloaf. If you put one in meatloaf, it'd probably be a good thing. Give it a little bit more.
And what's really good about these is the price is only $2.99.
There you go.
And it has been that price for a while, so it's not inflated, is it, Jenny?
No.
Okay.
It's just Wildwood is a small company.
Small company out of Wisconsin, and they do a great job of making, and they have a lot of other stuff too. So, that's how you'd serve those, and people would just take their potatoes. Or you don't even have to put the dip on there. You can just let them do it themselves. I'm going to wipe this spatula off. Now the next one I'm going to do is called Hot Pepper Bacon Dip. And this is one of our most popular bacon jams. It's got roasted red peppers, jalapeno peppers, bacon, vinegar, and some natural flavoring, and lemon juice. So the recipe calls,
and it says hot pepper, but it is not a hot. It's not a spicy.
It's not real. No. So this recipe calls for 8 ounces of cream cheese, which I have softened. And then a half a jar of this here, hot bacon jam.
Now you can also just pour this right over the cream cheese.
Oh yeah, you'd heat this up a little bit.
Yep, and just pour it over the block on a plate. But this way, this is how Karen, our gourmet food specialist, has come up with to do for sampling, and it works really well.
Mm-hmm. So,
yeah, rinse
I guess I better rinse these off a little bit.
That smells good. Now this, what you put on the potatoes, Grandma, would you let it sit for 2 hours or something before, or?
You could. If you're going to use this for a dip, it does say to refrigerate it for a little bit.
Okay, yeah, but this was heated.
This was heated, so...
Whoa.
I tried to get that thing in there and it took off.
It probably says to unplug it before you... Grandma Tanner missing fingers here in a moment.
Okay, the nurse is here.
Nurse Kelly's here, she said.
Yeah, so, anyway.
Yeah,
I
that's a safety issue. You unplug it, Grandma.
Yeah,
before
you gotta unplug it. Next time. So this just makes a nice, kind of a creamy, it looks like a fall, a nice fall color. And it is really good.
Really good on crackers or...
If you're going to a party, take a little bit of this along. Whips up real quick. Karen said she's going to use this to sample for tomorrow.
You can really smell the bacon and smoke in it.
Oh yeah, it's delicious. On crackers, pretzels. Might even be pretty good on vegetables, huh? You think
Yeah.
you'd put it on vegetables?
I know we mix that bacon, that hot pepper bacon jam. We mix it with the mayonnaise for the lunch. We put it on a Tanner BLT with turkey and bacon.
Mm-hmm.
And then they mix that hot pepper bacon jam with mayonnaise for the sandwich. And I've known people, they said they put it on their burgers or all kinds of stuff like that as a topping.
Yeah, this is one of our most popular jams. It's just a little different.
It's not a jam that you eat with your bread and butter in the morning.
I suppose after you put this cream cheese in it, it might be pretty good on a bagel.
Yep.
Have to take some up there. Richard, he likes bagels in the morning.
No more Frosted Flakes.
Not as much.
So that was just a little sampling of a couple things you can do with some of our dips. We have all these available in the market. My favorite is the Southwest Taco. Well, I don't know. The Southwest Taco or the BLT is my two favorites. I know we sell a lot of the one that Grandma Tanner made up, which was the garlic and onion. That's our most popular one. But
I think any of these are so versatile with
okay.
it. And the seasonings all mixed in there. You just do.
Yep. Or you can use it. You can use the packages as a seasoning mix too for if you're going to grill potatoes. The spinach and herb would probably be good on on potatoes or meat.
Oh yeah.
So all right.
Even if you made mashed potatoes and mix that in with mashed potatoes.
Mm-hmm. All right, and there you go. So next week we'll be back Thursdays at 3:00 cooking with Grandma Tanner. So thanks for watching, everyone.